This video is for how to change the air filter for the downstairs HVAC unit. This unit is located in the attic, and the air filter is a whole unit filter that's also located in the attic. To access the attic, pull down the stairs at the top of the staircase that has carpet. And unzip the attic access as you go up the stairs. There's a light switch right as you come up the stairs that'll illuminate the entire attic. When you come up the attic stairs, the downstairs HVAC unit is going to be on your left as you're facing it, and the upstairs HVAC unit is on the right. To access the air filter for the downstairs HVAC unit, you have to remove a side panel. No tools required for this. It has a handle, pops right off. And inside, you'll find the large air filter. This particular one is 20 inches by 25 inches by 4 inches and should be replaced roughly every 6 months. You'll take the old filter out, and again, I wrote the date when last replaced. But take the old filter out, slide the new filter in, and just like it came off, this door just pops on. It's important to note that this downstairs HVAC unit is different in that the air filter for this unit is only this one right here. You'll see inlet grates downstairs that look like they could hold filters, and they used to, but now they don't anymore since this has a whole unit filter. So it's important, don't put any filters in the grates on the first floor. Those are just now for air coming in. All the air is filtered in this big 4-inch filter. Thank you.